we're going to use this tool, which is a bubble flare kit made for European cars like our little GTI. We aren't going to use this double flare kit, which is very American in its flaring. And we will use this brand new 37-degree flaring toolkit, which will help us connect AN fittings, such as this. I'm not sure if it's focused, but hopefully it is. That's a -3 AN fitting, and that's what hopefully those fittings are. So we're going to create a new one of these out of some newer parts, which are in this box. Some of these, that's a -3Y, and then we have shifter bushings for later, multi-position rod for short shifter, and then some fittings and other stuff. Metric T, I'm not sure if we're going to use that, but stand by. We're going to turn this into something that gets put right there, and it'll connect to the rear brakes. All right, it's going to be fun.